Father, open our hearts to receive this gift of love that you offer to all people. May we see the littleness of the baby Jesus with new eyes, and may the wonder and joy of His saving peace be with us and on those we love. We ask this in Jesus Christ, our brother and Savior.